Hey everybody, welcome back to the Homestead. Today I'm kind of excited. I'm going to do kind of a reveal, and it's even going to be a reveal for me on some of my propagation methods for my blackberries. So we're going to cover air layering and ground layering, which both have the same principle. One I actually did on purpose, and one was a happy mistake. So I'll show you how they worked and how the results went. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so those of you who aren't familiar with air layering, it's where you get a medium, you put it inside. I've done this with plastic Ziploc bags in previous attempts, like with my guava trees in Arizona. But I got these off of Amazon, and I think that they had like a clear side just to make it so you could see through it. But I think that's kind of useless because it fogs up. You can't really see what's inside. And I'm trying to undo these twisty ties with one hand just so that we could see the results the best. And looky there, absolutely nothing. So there was a leaf there. I feel like I did everything I should have, but it didn't work out. So air layering was a bust. So I was trying to do this to get more propagation. So I was attempting to create more plants here, and it didn't work out. Air layering for me is hit and miss. Sometimes it works out really well. Sometimes it doesn't work at all. This is an example of not working at all. Actually, I haven't had any success doing air layering for my blackberries. But I want to show you what happened when I wasn't even trying. So let me show you. This is what ground layering looks like.
Go.
All right, so I didn't do this on purpose. Move, dog. But this blackberry went into the ground and into this pile of wood chips. And it created all these roots. That's pretty awesome, huh? So the roots on this are so abundant that I'm not even worried for a second that this plant isn't going to take off and survive. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Put those dang things in the wood chips and you're going to get some serious growth. I swear, it's awesome. It's really, really easy to do. So if you accidentally do it too, it's a happy accident. So enjoy gardening, everyone, and I'm going to enjoy planting this one somewhere else. I think it's a boysenberry too, so I'm even more excited now. All right, see you on the next video.